People often ask me about using chat comments in OBS. The thing that I like to use is the Social and Stream Ninja Chat, which is actually, it's a plugin, but it's not an OBS plugin. It's actually a browser plugin that you install and you run it in the background of your web browser. You go into the various destinations and make sure that that's open and turned on. And the great thing about that is, you know, I can actually bring in this Ninja Chat dock, and I'll hopefully do a tutorial on this at some point in the future. I can come in and actually create a browser source that will select one of these featured comments, and I can sort of click on this and then it'll show up in OBS and I can sort of address that. I can click on it to make it go away. I can come in here and grab another comment and acknowledge that and go from there. So that's really cool, and there's a few steps to get it working, but it is really, really neat, and I highly recommend you check it out. I'll try to make a proper tutorial on this at some point in the future, though.